everyone, this is Leon Lovett, a licensed massage therapist and certified medical massage therapist with nearly 20 years of hands-on experience. The information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Services at TravSpa do not diagnose, treat, or replace care from a licensed medical provider. If you have a medical condition, injury, or health concern, please consult with your physician or qualified healthcare professional before starting any new bodywork or wellness service. Lypossage Zone 2 at TravSpa focuses on the midsection, back, and upper arms, areas where tension, fluid retention, and connective tissue adhesions often contribute to a heavier or less defined appearance. This zone is designed to support smoother body contours, improve posture, and greater comfort throughout the upper and midsection of the body. The session begins with techniques that stimulate lymphatic movement through the abdomen, waistline, back, and arms. This helps reduce stagnation in areas that tend to retain fluid or feel bloated from stress, daily posture, or inactivity. Next, structured bodywork is used to release restrictive fascia that can contribute to uneven tissue texture, tightness through the torso, and reduced mobility in the back or shoulders. These adhesions can also affect posture by pulling the body out of alignment or limiting rotation. By gradually freeing these deeper layers, Zone 2 helps improve the appearance and mobility of the waistline, mid-back, and arms. Many clients notice a lighter sensation around the ribcage, more circulation in the upper arms, and greater ease in their overall posture. The goal of Zone 2 is to support a more balanced upper body silhouette while enhancing comfort and movement. The treatment also encourages better abdominal support, which can positively impact breathing, core engagement, and everyday functional movement. Ideal for clients seeking a smoother midsection, improved arm tone, or relief from tension that restricts upper body mobility, Lypossage Zone 2 provides a comprehensive approach to upper body wellness and contour improvement. At TravSpa, this structured treatment helps clients feel more open, aligned, and confident as their tissue texture and balance gradually improve through a dedicated session series. If you're looking to smooth the midsection, improve arm contour, or restore upper body balance, Lypossage Zone 2 may be the right fit for your goals. Explore scheduling options at travspa.com and begin your upper body transformation with a focused, effective approach.